Hey, oh man. Oh, wait. There, yes, there's done right here. As you can see, I'm currently in a hotel room. I'm transitioning from my last place into my new place. We'll talk more about that later. Now, I just kind of wanted to talk about the Vincero Sam Newton collab editing contest, which I created an edit for. For this one, I really wanted to put together some really cool transitions, but I was more into pacing. I just wanted to have a very clean flow. I started coming up with like a watch animation on After Effects, but I ended up coming up with more of a like a tech animation, which kind of looked like a speedometer. So actually, it was funny because he had a motorcycle clip on there, and I just kind of tracked it on, and it ended up looking pretty cool. Anyway, so for this video, I really focused on the flow. I really focused on the theme to keep everything, watch related, time related. And I really wanted to really work on my sound design. The music, I used two different tracks. It was the same song, but one without vocals and one with. I had to blend them together at different parts, which hopefully you can't tell because that means I did my job. His voiceover, spreading it apart, not using some parts, and making sure that the parts that really meant something were emphasized throughout the clips. And then a lot of the sound effects had to fade in, like the waterfall had to fade in and fade out not too abruptly. So yeah, anyway, sorry about that really long introduction. I just really wanted to speak about what I was going for, and maybe hopefully you can agree that I achieved it. If you think I achieved it, just assassinate that like button, just murder that subscribe button. Anyway, I was just making fun of YouTubers that are always saying some crazy stuff. Anyway, here's the video.
As a travel photographer, I've learned that you discover who you really are when you immerse yourself in the unfamiliar. I used to fear the unknown. Then I learned to embrace it. I became obsessed with the process. I began to take pride in doing things a little differently. And I don't plan on slowing down anytime soon. So get out there, embrace the unknown, and live your legacy. What you find just might surprise you.